Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate break-even sales in Excel. So what do you mean the break-even point? So the break-even point tells you how many units you must sell to recover all your cost. Understood? So here you see I have a data, product list, fixed cost, selling price per unit, variable cost per unit, and here I'm going to calculate break even unit. Select the cell is equal to, and select the first fixed cost, divide it in bracket, select first selling price per unit and minus variable cost per unit, bracket closed, and enter. That's it. And select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you see the break-even units here calculated. If you want to decrease the decimal, go to the home tab. In number group, here you can see the increase decimal option and decrease decimal option. So here I click on the decrease decimal. Okay, that's it. And next here, select the first entire column of break-even units. Then go to the home tab, click on the conditional formatting. Then click on the top bottom rows and click on the first option, top 10 items. Then here the small dialog box is open. Instead of 10, here type 3. Okay. And click on the color. So I just select here color, different color, green. Okay. After that, I click on OK. So here Excel highlighted the top 3 products that require the most sales to break even. This helps you identify the products with the higher business risks. Next, let's see break-even sales. So here I add the one column, break-even sales. Okay. Then I select the cell, use this equal to, select the break-even units, then add here the asterisk sign, then here select the selling price per unit. Okay, press the enter and that's it. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and you can see the all product break-even sales amount here calculated. Okay, to decrease the decimal, select the amount and go to the home tab. In number group, click on the decrease decimal option and here you see. That's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.